Hello, welcome to the Geeks Garage. Still in lockdown, still not had my beard done, it's getting bigger. Still not had my hair cut. Right, back to this switch that we done the major board repair on the charging port. I've been waiting, it is a few days, I was expecting it to be one day, but long last Amazon's arrived, so I thought throw the camera on and we'll check it together. So just let me show you which one we're talking about. It's this one with this board repair here. Yeah, I'll show you on the scope so we can see. It is that one. Yeah, I had all the jumpers on, basically a jumper on almost every pin. We put the jumper wires, it's in video 1, we put the jumper wires on the charging port, fitted the charging port, then put the jumper wires onto each component that they go to. Now we know when we plugged it in, it's charging, fast charging with a charger both ways. We already done that in video 1, but I'd mentioned that stupidly I had sold all my switch docks without leaving myself one by mistake. So I sold them all. I was meant to leave myself one and then never. So we've been waiting for this to come from Amazon, so we can see if we have video out. So this is what I've got. Yeah, it's just like well, it's a USB-C hub, so it gives us video out. I don't know how it works, not had one before, but can't be hard to work out, I'm sure. Connect power supply to the adapter, connect HDMI port, turn the TV display on, connect Nintendo Switch in the working, keep the Nintendo Switch in the working state screen before plugging in. Yeah, right, okay. Right. Don't need that, do we? And 23 quid this was, and that's the size of it. I hope it goes through my HDMI image capture thing. I don't see why it wouldn't. Fingers crossed that it does. There's audio out, USB 2, USB 3 and USB-C and HDMI. Okay, so it says plug the power in first, doesn't it? So let's plug the switch power pack into there. We've got a light, so that's a good thing. Plug USB in. Yeah, and then it says get the screen into a working state before plugging it in, which I'm assuming is Chinese for switch it on. Right, do we have scene 2? I've got it on, which is that one. Hold on a minute. Overhead view first. Come on. Right, we'll turn it round, we'll turn it on. It hasn't been on since I've done it. There we go. Okay, let's give us some volume on that. I like to hear it. There's nothing on this one. Just it's a customer's. So now we plug it in, and then I'll switch the camera over. So let's see if the screen goes off. Plugged in, it says charging. Screen hasn't gone off. That's not a good sign. Oh, hold on, let me change. Hold on. I need to change the HDMI port, don't I? First. Okay. Now plug it in. Screen's gone off. And we have it on the TV. There we go. Happy days. So yeah, my investigation. Let me stick these Joy-Cons on so we can go through it. Have I plugged the Joy-Cons in? I have. They're not working. Have they got any charge? Well, that's not my concern to it. No, they're totally dead there. But yeah, it's not really my concern. I was in for the busted HDMI port. Sorry, the USB-C port. But I don't know if those Joy-Cons have got anything in them at all. So let's not worry. But we know that's the one. If I swap you back to, let's see if I can add. Let's see if I can add. That. No, I want scene 2. Let's see if I can add overhead onto this. I'm still learning this OBS system. Well, let's see if I can add that. Okay, has it added it? Just give me 1 second. That's there. That's there. If we swap that to that one, does it work? What is this one? This one is video capture device, right? Okay, so that one, swap it to that one. No, I'm trying to get both the overhead camera. No, it's not working. Don't worry about it. It's not working. But yeah, that's that. If you look at the logo in the top left corner, and then we come back to this, and then we unplug it. There you go. You can see that's what we were just looking at. I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy with the outcome. I can put the back cover on. I can contact the customer, let him pay his invoice, and yeah, he'll be happy. I'm happy. That's all good, isn't it? Cool, cool. Right, thanks very much for watching. I know it took a little bit longer for the delivery to come, but we did get it all sorted. You know, if you remember right on the last video, this was meant to come the day I actually done the repair. and it never. And that was Saturday, I think. We're now on Wednesday, so I've been waiting a long time to check the work I'd done had actually, because there's no pin-out information anywhere. Well, there's two lots of pin-out information that goes from each pin on the USB-C, and it tells you where it goes on the board. Now, one of the guys that I talked to, he says his is right and the other one is definitely wrong. Now, I decided I'll do my own investigation and work it out myself. Now, what I worked out was different to both of the other ones, but I went with what I had worked out and it's right. So I'll be quick to inform them that the way I've done it, I believe it's right, because I've literally gone from every single pin on the USB-C port to each location. It has to be right, so because it's working. So like that investigation took a while, doing the job took me a while, but it paid off because I wrote it down in my notebook, wherever I've just put that. I wrote it down in my notebook, so any problems, again, I can look at it. Dead easy to do the jumper wires because I know exactly where they all go. Absolutely made up. Right, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click the like button. If you want to see any more, I'm going to try and do one a week. Please click the subscribe button. It's a brand new channel. I'm trying my hardest to, get it out there. At this moment in time, I think I've got 4 subscribers. So, but it's been a week, so and I've already got 5 or 6 videos on because I just done them dead quick so I could get them out there and get them on. But I'm going to do basically 1 a week. I might do more sometimes, but I won't do any less than 1 a week. Let's put it that way. So if you can subscribe to the channel, that would be fantastic. If you like my video, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.